Theodore Seuss Geisel was born on March 2nd, 1904, after his mother, Henrietta Seuss Geisel. Theodore Seuss Geisel is also better known as Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss was originally supposed to take over the family brewery company, but it ended up shutting down before he was of age to take it over. So instead, he became a children's storybook author. One of his most famous books was The Cat in the Hat. And today I'm going to tell you the story. One day, a boy and his sister named Sally were sitting at home watching it rain, and in walks a cat in a hat. The cat then looks at them and says, "Are y'all having fun?" And the kids reply, "No, we're bored because it is raining outside and we can't go outside and play." The cat then looks at them and says, "I have many games and things that we can do." He then picks up a broom and balances the fish on top of it, and then picks up a cake and then balances it on top of his hat, and then picks up a few more items and holds them all while balancing on top of a ball. Then he falls down, leaving the fish in a pot. The fish then yells at the kids, "You need to get this cat out of here, for he is tearing up the house." Instead of leaving though, the cat instead goes and gets a box, and inside the box was thing 1 and thing 2. He then let them out of the box, and then the thing 1 and thing 2 shook the kids' hands. And then the fish yelled out, "No, no, you need to get them out of here. They should not be here while your mother is away." The kids did not listen. Instead, they let them go. The thing 1 and thing 2 then grabbed kites and started flying them around the house. They knocked pictures off the wall and knocked the family vase off the table, and also knocked the lamp. Then they ran through the house and then in through their mother's bedroom, where they then knocked down the gown, and the kites bounced off their mother's bed. And through the house they ran, knocking everything over in their pathway. Then quickly, the boy went and grabbed his net, and went and caught thing 1 and thing 2, and then threw them back in the box. Then they told them, "You need to get out of here and leave before our mother gets home." The cat then left, but quickly came back and helped them clean everything up. And then shortly after he left, his mother came in and asked them if they had fun. And then to their reply, they did not know what to say. What would you say? The end.